All right, Jim, seriously? Open salsa back in the cabinet? I'd say once it's open, you don't put it back in the cabinet. That's all sealed items.
I like my salsa room temperature, okay?
It doesn't need to be back in the cabinet, for sure.
Okay, this is the same ketchup conversation we've had, okay?
Yes.
Same with the ketchup, folks. When I go to the store, we buy ketchup or salsa. It's not in the refrigerated section.
Yes, it is.
No,
it
it's
says in the
not.
front, refrigerate after
We
opening.
buy it on the shelf right in the middle of the
It's
store.
still sealed though.
We don't get, okay, well that's fine.
And it says refrigerate after opening.
My other point is, I like room temperature ketchup and salsa. She don't even eat salsa. Why do you even care?
I eat salsa. I would eat it if it was in the
You
refrigerator.
even eat my salsa?
If it was in the refrigerator. I'm afraid of it.
Get it. Look at the kitchen.
I'm not eating it.
Here it comes. It's gonna get you. No, seriously. When you go to a restaurant, where's the ketchup? Do they pull it out of the refrigerator? Do they go in the back and say, let's get this refrigerated bottle of ketchup, put it on your table?
So,
no.
wait. Let me interject here because I have worked in restaurants when I was younger.
As have I.
You go through a bottle of ketchup every day, you refill it, and do you know where they store it overnight? In the walk-in refrigerator.
They don't leave it on the table?
No. You take all that off the table at night and in a...
Every night, you're telling me every single night they collect all those ketchup bottles
Yes.
and shuttle them into the freezer.
Each waitress has to do their own section, but yes. They go in the refrigerator overnight.
Then why, when I get there and I put ketchup on my eggs, the ketchup is room temperature?
Because it's been sitting out for a while.
Overnight.
Not overnight.
Almost like it's been overnight.
No, but it's not.
Okay, so here we are. Again, please weigh in, comment. Help me prove how wrong she is. Oh my gosh, she's been beating me up with this for years again.
Please
Salsa,
educate him. Bring him into the 21st century.
salsa, ketchup, those are not refrigerated necessary items. Plus we go through this, I'll write this thing down in 2 to 3 days.
I know you will.
With the eggs, I mean, I love this stuff, it's gold.
Except that it's been up there for like 2 months.
Because you've been hiding it behind other stuff.
It's right here.
That's for another debate.
It's in the front.
Yeah, well, you just conveniently had it there. So, again, weigh in, let us know. Ketchup, salsa, condiments. We got a whole egg thing going on, but we'll deal with that later.
Weight Watchers, 0 points. It's a whole thing.
So,
A
weigh
lot of
in.
people know what I'm talking about.
Most of them don't.
I'd say most do. Another debate.
Okay. So, please comment. Please,
Obviously, this is going to be a series.
yeah, please comment. Please help. In or out of the fridge,
Help him.
cabinet, whatever. Thank you.